Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.